Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're just going to be doing a makeup or an eye tutorial using the Sienna palette by Profusion. So if you want to see our neutral, warm tone eye tutorial, then just keep watching. Okay, so we're just going to do kind of like an everyday-ish look with this palette, which is obviously very, very warm toned. So I think I'm going to start off with Cryptic, which is a shade down here. Let's go in with my fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M504 brush, and we're just going to put that in the crease as our beginning transition shade. Let's move on. I think just for fun, I want to take a little bit of Serendipity, which is this yellow shade, and just blend out the edges with that. So I'm going to take this Morphe M505 brush and put it in. Oh yeah. It doesn't do much of a difference, but I like it. Alright, let's go in with a little bit of Groovy, which is just the brown shade. It looks like kind of slightly warm toned brown shade. We're going to put that even lower in the crease to give it the depth. I want to make this very much like a 2 or 3 shadow look so that it's not a lot of work. This is the Morphe M44. And we're going to kind of put that in the V and then lower in the crease. Now I'm going to go back in with Cryptic and blend this together with the biggest fluffy brush. For the lid shade, we're going to take this gold shade Tickled, and I'm just going to use it with my finger. Or attempt to use it with my finger. It's not doing much, not enough. What I want. Okay, so I don't like what that really did. It hasn't done much. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Appeal Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade, I guess, Gold. And we're going to put that on. This comes with a brush. It's kind of weird, but... For my lower lash line, I'm just going to stick with the Cryptic shade, which is this one. I'm trying to let my lids dry, so I'm trying not to open them. Okay, I went ahead and did my brows and mascara off camera. So for brows, I have a little bit of the Jua whatever brow pencil, and then I have the Anastasia brow gel in taupe. And then mascara was the little bitty baby version of the Lancome Monsieur Big. And the final step is my highlight. So I'm actually going to step outside of this. You could do one of these. This one is a nice light gold shade, and then this one is just a matte bone shade. But I really want to use my MAC Nylon, so I am going to use that. And just put the inner corner and then the brow bone. Okay. Oh, let me put some lips on. Now we're done. This is the L'Oreal, what is it, the Signature Rouge in I Empower. So yeah. That is all I have for this video, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.